Have you ever asked AI to do something only to get an answer that was too generic, too long, or completely missed the point? If so, you're not alone. Here's the good news. The problem probably isn't the AI, it's how you're using it. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 7 biggest mistakes beginners make with AI, and more importantly, exactly how to fix them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get smarter, faster, and far more useful results from AI. Let's get started. Welcome back to the AI Edge, your unfair advantage in the age of AI. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you use free AI tools to work smarter, learn faster, and stay ahead. If that sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Now let's jump into the first mistake. Mistake number 1, being too vague with your prompts. This is by far the most common mistake beginners make. Most people type something like, "Write me an email," "Give me business ideas," or "Help me make money online." Technically, AI can answer those questions, but the answers usually feel generic because your instructions are generic. Think of AI as an incredibly capable assistant. Even the smartest assistant can't read your mind. The more specific your instructions are, the better your results become. Instead of saying, "Write me an email," try saying, "Write a professional email to a client explaining a 1-week project delay." Keep it under 150 words, sound confident and positive, and end with a clear next step. Notice the difference? You're giving AI a goal, a tone, a length, and a purpose. The quality of your prompts determines the quality of your results. So don't be afraid to give AI plenty of detail. Mistake number 2, trying to learn every AI tool at once. This is something I see all the time. Someone discovers ChatGPT, then immediately downloads Notion AI, Notebook LM, Canva AI, 11 Labs, Perplexity, and 10 other tools. Within a week, they're overwhelmed. Instead of mastering one tool, they're confused by all of them. Here's the better approach. Start with one. Learn it well. Use it every day for 2 weeks. Once it becomes part of your routine, then add another tool. Remember, depth beats breadth. One tool used well is far more valuable than 10 tools you barely understand. Mistake number 3, trusting AI without checking the facts. AI is incredibly powerful, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it gives outdated information, sometimes it makes mistakes, and sometimes it confidently presents something that simply isn't true. This is why you should always verify important information, especially when you're dealing with medical advice, legal topics, financial decisions, statistics, or factual claims. Think of AI as an excellent research assistant, not the final authority. If AI gives you an important fact, take a minute to confirm it using a reliable source. That small habit can save you from making costly mistakes. Mistake number 4, not giving AI enough context. Imagine walking up to a stranger and saying, "Help me grow my business." Where would they even begin? That's exactly what happens when you ask AI vague questions without any background. Instead, tell AI who you are, what you're trying to achieve, who your audience is, and what success looks like. For example, instead of saying, "Help me write a YouTube title," try saying, "I run a YouTube channel called the AI Edge, where I teach beginners how to use free AI tools. Give me 5 clickable titles for a video about building a free AI assistant." Now the AI understands your goal, your audience, and your niche. The result? Far better answers. Always remember this: context creates quality. The more AI understands your situation, the more useful its responses become. Here's another mistake that holds a lot of people back. People try AI once, they get an answer they don't like, and immediately decide, AI isn't that useful. But that's not how AI works. Think of it like talking to a colleague. If they misunderstand your request, you don't walk away. You simply explain what you meant. The same is true with AI. If the response is too long, ask it to make it shorter. If it's too formal, ask it to sound more conversational. If it missed an important point, tell it exactly what you want it to include. The best results rarely come from the first prompt. They come from refining the conversation, So instead of giving up after one response, keep improving your prompt. You'll be surprised how much better the answers become. Mistake number 6. Letting AI do all the thinking. This mistake is becoming more common. Some people expect AI to do everything. Write every email, create every idea, make every decision, and solve every problem. But here's the truth. AI is an assistant, not a replacement for your own thinking. The best results happen when you combine AI's speed with your own creativity and judgment. Let AI generate ideas. Let AI organize information. Let AI help you brainstorm. But always add your own experience, your own personality, and your own final decision. Remember this, people don't follow AI. They follow people who know how to use AI wisely. That's what makes your work unique. Mistake number 7, using AI occasionally instead of building a habit. This is one of the easiest mistakes to fix. Most beginners only use AI when they have a problem. Maybe once this week, then they forget about it for another 2 weeks. That's not enough to build real skill. The people getting the biggest results from AI aren't necessarily the smartest. They're simply the most consistent. Spend just 10 or 15 minutes with AI every day. Ask ChatGPT one useful question. Use Notebook LM to organize your notes. Plan your day with Notion AI. Practice writing better prompts. Those small improvements add up faster than you think. Before long, using AI becomes second nature, and that's when you start saving hours every single week. Let's quickly recap. Be specific with your prompts. Master one tool before learning another. Always verify important information. Give AI enough context. Keep refining your prompts. Use AI to support your thinking. Do not replace it. And finally, build a simple daily AI habit. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, you'll already be ahead of most beginners. And the more you practice, the better your results will become. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 mistakes have you been making? Comment the number below. I'll be reading every comment, and I may even feature some of your tips in a future video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the AI Edge for practical AI tutorials every week. And if you know someone who's just getting started with AI, share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.